Hey, I am Laura Mahoney with Compass, and we are here at 6 Wompatuck Road, the latest project from Greenman Industries. I'm here with Jeff Greenman, the developer and owner of this project. We wanted to give you a quick update of, again, our newest project, new construction. Jeff, tell us a little bit about it.
Yeah, hey everyone. We're here at the house. Obviously, it's well underway. We've got framing up, windows gone in, and we're well on our way to finishing this up in September. We are perfectly on time with what we thought we would be. It's going to be a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house. We're very close to the elementary school. This is going to be a perfect home for a family here in Crow Point. So we're looking forward to finishing this up and getting someone in here.
We'll take you on a quick walk inside and show you what you have so far. Here we are in the heart of the home. This is the great room. We're gonna have a fireplace over here, wall of windows over here. The sunlight is going to pour in. We have our kitchen over here against this wall and a breakfast nook over here, which is gonna lead out to the backyard. We also are gonna have a formal dining room and an office through there. What we did over here also on the first floor is we did a flexible floor plan as far as the primary suite goes. We have a really large primary suite upstairs, which Jeff is gonna show you. We also did a second ensuite bedroom here if somebody is looking for that first floor living, or alternatively, it could be a second family room or playroom or whatever you want. We have a powder room and an oversized, beautiful mudroom over here off of the garage.
Hey everyone, welcome to the primary bedroom in this beautiful home. Look how high these ceilings are. No, I'm 6 feet tall. These ceilings are pushing 13 feet. Unreal. Tons of light, beautiful room. It will be a very nice space for the homeowners to be in. This is the primary closet, walk-in, huge, tons of space, and we roll right into the primary bath. Large shower pan. We'll have vanities right over here inside. Can't wait. Someone's gonna be very, very happy to be in a space this large. Still upstairs, we are in a flex space room that we put together here. We're gonna have laundry right here. This could be a game room or other use of a den or study for children or whatever. In addition to that, we have 3 other bedrooms up on the top floor here. We've got one here, and one behind me over here, which will share a bathroom, so a Jack and Jill style. And then adjacent to the primary bedroom is another bedroom and a walk-in ensuite bath. So upstairs, we have 4 total bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
All of this in the heart of Crow Point. This location is amazing. We are steps from the brand new Foster Elementary School, which just opened in January. And you're also just down the street from the Neighborhood Beach Association, which is lively and fun, and there are beautiful views of the Boston skyline, as well as a swim dock in the summer and walking trails through conservation land to the Hingham shipyard.
So proud of the work we've done so far here and very excited to keep you up to date on what's next.
I'd love to show you in person, so reach out for more information and to schedule a private tour.